Here is how to make simple air fryer chocolate chip cookies that are soft, gooey, and absolutely delicious. To make these air fryer cookies, mix together 3/4 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of melted butter, and give the ingredients a good mix. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 egg and give it a mix. Now, add 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour and a half a teaspoon of baking soda and mix again. And now, to make these cookies absolutely finger-licking yummy, add some milk chocolate and dark chocolate chunks and fold them in evenly. After chilling the cookie dough for 1 hour in the fridge, shape it into small cookies depending on the size of your air fryer basket. Bake the cookies in the air fryer at 302 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius for about 13 minutes till the chocolate is melted and the edges of the cookies are slightly brown. If you liked this air fryer chocolate chip cookie recipe, then check out also how to make these super simple, moist, and soft air fryer donuts here. Check it out now.